really inaugurated by one. Actually, this is the importance. I'm supposed to speak at the last, but anyway, this is only to say the importance of this day, how we have been doing it, and what it is all about. Actually, I'm not going to speak long. I think this is such a group that everybody is very familiar about the Red Cross activities, what it is all about, because this is from the very core of the family. And actually, this is the day. This happens to be our Mr. Harindrapan had already explained about it. This happens to be a coincidence of several days today. It will be the day after Krishna's birthday or something like that, and also the birthday of the Red Cross. This is the holiday as well, but anyway, holy in the sense that holy is it has really become holy. The holy day. So, particularly, I simply want to mention, I don't want to explain about what Nepal Red Cross has done during this year, because this has been reflected in many of our documents. It has been repeated too often today, because this is the year where we have very many important events that have happened. So it's not only the politically and the naturally, and then the incident disaster-wise, and for many other types of events. This is a very eventful year. So that's why I don't have to explain about all these things. Every day it is in the news. The whole media is very much in the news at this time. Particularly the one thing is very important at this point is this, that we have already finished our Golden Jubilee now. I think we have completed 52 years. So it started from 63, and then luckily we are the people. I think only one person in this group, I can see Dr. Gaurasankar Das, who has seen the beginning of the day. So then perhaps I am the second person. I'm glad to mention that also, because particularly this is not the important type of thing. But then I joined the Red Cross in 65, and then our Red Cross actually started 63, and Dr. Das was there at that time. So he is the only person. This is the representational day as well, and congratulations, Dr. Das. And he has been actively involved from the day one to this day as well. And we are expecting some others. So since then, we have been observing this day in a very different way, and then the shape of this celebration has been changing. Sometimes today's celebration, it becomes a very big event, lot of procession, people going to the streets and all that. And sometimes we make it a very symbolic. Today I wish I should say that although we have all types of people, the representational type of people, it's a very symbolic day today. It's not a big celebration, we are doing it. But what I want to stress is that the importance is nevertheless. It's a small group, we are doing it in this hall. Usually it is the celebration in the streets and also in the grounds, it used to be. But then I think the representation is equally good. We have the international partnership, the movement partners, the ICRC, the Federation, our PNS. So it's a representationally we are still intact. And particularly in case of Nepal, one thing is very important, that when in the action we have lot of people, hundreds of thousands of people, and whenever we have the incidents like this symbolic, it is always small. So sometimes small is good as well. So this is what is important, and then so many events keep on happening. And today, in the whole of the country, in all the district chapters also, they are celebrating the same thing. In a way, the totality of the program is very, very big. And some of the important events we have done that, I am not explaining about that. Particularly, the political incidents is happening at the same time, and then the disaster, the century is the biggest disaster. Actually, the earlier century, we had the big disaster, earthquake like that in 1934. But then this one is much bigger than that. So this is not only the century's big event, but also even the comparatively much bigger event than the earlier one. That kind of thing we have been doing, and I don't have to explain about it. Such a big event we have done that. Partly a little bit, my colleague has already explained about that, what type of a thing. And then this is the big budget thing we are doing on that. Actually, in case of 100,000 people have been used, only the deployment from the headquarter is nearly 8,000 people have been deployed, more than 7,000 plus people have been deployed in the very first week of the event. So that was a very big thing, so many people, and almost 250 international delegates at the site in the very first week, we should say. Actually, the international participation started right from the same day until the next day. So this is such a eventful and then such a big chaotic thing we have really done in a very big way. We know that actually we used to talk, we had a lot of problems at that time, it was very chaotic. Management was not very supportive at that time, the rules and regulations were missing, and so many things were there because it was not thought of. But in spite of that, Nepal Red Cross was the only organization in the country. Everybody talked about it. We were prepared as a contingency plan since several years. Actually, for 3 or 4 years, it was the intensive preparedness for what would happen and what we are going to do that we have done that. But then, since the 10 years or something like that, we have been really working for that preparedness. That preparedness has really worked. So in spite of that, when actually it happened, it became a very chaotic situation, very unthought of situation, and the type of imagination we have done, what type of earthquake it would be. So it was beyond our imagination. It really happened in a different way than what we have planned. But in spite of that, in that chaotic situation, that was with the support of all this international participation and all our volunteers, we could manage it. So that has been somehow managed, and although we were not very satisfied for the management reasons at that time, but then the result, the event, it really happened in a way, in a whatever way, and then the rules and regulations were also managed because the government's law was not enough at that time, and so many rules and regulations, government was not prepared as well. In spite of that, because of the personal contact, we could manage it. So that sort of success was there. But then that is not the escape that we forget the normal annual disaster preparedness thing, because right after that there was the monsoon situation, and we didn't forget it. The monsoon was tackled as well. We had a separate preparation for the monsoon. That was also tackled, and very recently we saw the political events, the social disturbance type of event. There also, just like in the time of the conflict days, we managed the same type of program in the recent political event also. So what I mean to say that the Red Cross is prepared for any type of situation, one after the other. These were all the very eventful type of things. The political scenario came, and then during the conflict time, we have the Safer Access Program. It reminded us of our Safer Access Program, and we again are trying to do the same type of education to our districts, and our districts are all prepared. Our first aid group, the health care, the rescue programs, they are all there. So I think this is a very, very good thing. So that sort of things are individually collected in the storybook also. One of the important features of today is the publication of the storybook. As our colleague have said that about 250 stories are there, but we should have thousands and thousands of good stories are there. So that will be the process. We will still be continuing, and this day reminds us of being prepared for any type of event all the time. यस्तो चाहिँ समयको लागि चाहिँ सधैँको लागि तयार गर्ने रिमाइन्डरको रूपमा आजको दिन चाहिँ भएको हुनाले यो चिज चाहिँ मैले अब यो प्रबुद्ध जमातमा मैले भनिरहनु पर्दैन, किनभने यहाँ सबै आफै डुबिरहेको चाहिँ व्यक्तिहरू भएको हुनाले मैले छोटकरीमा चाहिँ यतिहरू कुरा भने आई एम एक्सपेक्टिङ दिस आवर फ्रेन्ड्स